good. What about others? Okay, now, are you ready to start our lesson? Can someone read the first question? Liz Raisol, can you read the first question?
Find the value of the following.
Okay, so I give you 2 minutes to solve the problem, and then after that, send me the answer in the chat. Thank you.
It's the same thing that they give us.
Okay, so that's 2 minutes. I think I can go through and solve the problem for you. So at first, we need to factor 2020. And after that, we simplify the things that we have factor it, and it's become to 2000. By having that, we just rewrite the 2020, and then we just do normal calculation by doing this. So we need to multiply 2020. By doing that, I think you guys can do it well, and I'm gonna do it for you. So by multiply it faster, we need just to time 2 by 2, and then the 0 we're gonna add it at the end. 4 0 0 0 0. So we can get 40,000. So just write 40,000 right here, and plus 2020. So it is equal to 40,000 plus 2020, and we will get 20224. And so our answer is B. Rati, and how can I pronounce your name? Kieng. You two got the correct answer. Congratulations. You have 1 minute to look at it, and if you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me. Okay, I think you understand it. So let's go through question 2. Can Meg read the second question? Hello, Meg. Can you hear me?
Simplify 3 times 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 7 times 3 to the power of 9.
Yeah, thank you. So you have 2 minutes to do it, but I see most of you have done it. So I give you another minute to solve the second problem. Okay, so that's 1 minute. So by doing that, we need to use a formula, which is A times A to the power of A, and A to the power of B is equal to A to the power of A plus B. So by doing that, we can see that 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 5, and 7, and so on. So we just need to plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. And as we can see, the difference of each number is 2. So we can do like 1 plus 17 is equal to 18, and 15 plus 3 equal to 18 too. So how many 18? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do like 18 times 4. It's equal to 32. And we got 18 times 4 plus 9 is equal to 72 plus 9 is equal to 81. So therefore, we can get 3 to the power of 81 times 1 over 3 to the power of 75, which is equal to, we can use a formula, which is A over B to the power of A, it's equal to A to the power of A over B to the power of A. So we can get 3 to the power of 81 times 1 to the power of 75 over 3 to the power of 75, which is, we can get, as we know, 1 to the power of whatever number, we can say to the power of A, it's equal to 1. everything, 1 to the power of everything, it's gonna be equal to 1. So we can get 3 to the power of 81 over 3 to the power of 75. It's equal to 3 to the power of 6, which is 9 times 3. And we get 81, 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 81 times 9, it's equal to 72. So the answer is D. Where's the letter Z in? Oh, that's a trick. I'm gonna show you when I solve that problem for you. 3 to the power of 75. Wait, can you unmute and ask me directly because I cannot understand your question? Li Kieng, Tang Li Kieng, am I right? Hello? Feel free to ask me by unmuted. Okay, so if you guys don't understand it, so we can move to question number 3. Jing, can you read the question? Hello, Jing. Okay, maybe Jing is busy or something. Ngô Sok Cheng, can you read the question? Hello, Sok Cheng, can you read the question? Okay, so I'm gonna read the question for you. Which of the following is equal to ax minus 2by plus 3c if x equal to 3a minus 4b squared, y is equal to 4b minus 3c squared, and z is equal to minus 2bc. So that's it. Try to solve the problem for 2 minutes. After that, I'm gonna solve the problem for you. Thank you. Alex, who get A, you can try to solve the problem again if you get if you get A as your answer. Okay, so that's 2 minutes. I'm gonna solve the problem for you. Okay, as we can see, we need to find the answer of ax minus 2by plus 3c. So the problem gives us the x, y, and z. As we can see, we can plug in x, y, and z into the problem given to us by a 3a minus 4b squared minus 2b 4b minus 3c squared and z. Where's z? We don't see anything about z in the problem, so we just leave it alone because it might be a trick. So we can get 3a squared minus 4ab squared minus 2b times 4b minus 2b times minus 3c squared plus 3c. So after that, we can get 3a squared minus 4ab squared minus 8b squared plus, because as we know, minus times minus is equal to plus 6bc squared plus 3c. So we can just simplify it. 3a squared minus 4ab squared minus 8b squared plus 6bc squared plus 3c. So we don't have anything to simplify each other. So this is our answer. As we can see, there's no this answer in choices. So the answer is E. Any question? You feel free to unmute and ask me. It's okay. Okay, so if there's no question, we can go through to question 4. Sok Cheng, can you read me the question? Hello, Sok Cheng, can you read me the question?
Value of an index. Equation below.
Yeah, thank you for reading it for me. So I give you guys 2 minutes to find out the answer of this question. Thanks. So yeah, that's 2 minutes. Only a few people can understand, can answer it. So I'm gonna go through and solve the problem for you. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blah, 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 plus until 120. So how can we solve that problem? We cannot do like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus until 120. So that's a trick. We need to do by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Let's say 4 plus 5 plus blah, 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 and plus till 120. Okay, so how can we figure out that the answer of it is easy to do it? So we can plus another half, another 1, 2 until 120. So by doing that, we just plus 120 and plus 190 plus 180. No, 18, sorry. And plus blah, blah, blah until 1. So what does it mean? When we plus it like that, it means that we have 1 plus until 122 times. So after we plus it, we need to divide it by 2 in order to find the answer of 1 plus blah, blah, blah until 120. So we need to plus that first before we divide it. So we can get 121 and 119 plus 2 is also equal to 121 and plus blah, blah, blah plus until 121. Okay, so how many numbers of 121? So from 1 to 120, we have got 120 numbers.
60.
No, 120. Because from 120 equal to 120. It's just like you do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and then 5 plus 1. No, sorry, my bad. Plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1. It's only 5 numbers, you see, and it's 6. And 6 plus 6 plus 6, 5 times. So how can we know? How can we do it easily? So we can get 6 times 5 and divide it by 2. And we get 15. So if we want to test it out, it's just like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And it's 6 and 6. And we get 12, right? 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So we can do like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We can do only like a little bit numbers of it. So by having the big numbers, big amount of numbers, we need to use that way, the way that I'm doing it. So we have 120 numbers of 121. So we have 121 times 120 divided by 110. Okay, so here we need to make the numbers become smaller in order to simplify it easily. So what do we get? For 121, what does it relate to number 11? Because we have this right here. So we need to think. Imagine if we do like 11 times 11. What do we get? 1, 1, and 1, 1. It's equal to 121. So we can just do like 121 times 120. No, sorry, 11 times 11 and time 12 can be? No, let's see. So 120 is equal to 10 times 12. So we can get 12 times 10. It's just the same, 11 times 10. So we can cut 10s and 10 and then 11 and 11. After that, what should we do next? Don't forget this. We were just doing this. So we need to simplify this value and then it's equal to this in order to find n. We have 12 times 11. So we have 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1. So we can get 1, 3, 2. So 1, 3, 2 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus n over 2. So what do we get right here? We can just time both sides by 2. So we can just cut this and time this, and we can get 132 times 2. It's equal to 462. Okay, after that, we just do the simplify, just solve the equation. So we can get 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus n, it's equal to 264 as we see this here. So what is the value of n? 6 plus 6 plus n is equal to 264. N is equal to 264 minus 6 minus 6. So what is 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is 12. So we can do n is equal to 264 minus 12. What is the value of 264 minus 12? We can do like the more normal way. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5, and it's 2. So n is equal to 252. I feel like there's something wrong with my solution. Does anyone know what is wrong with my solution? Oh, guys, did you notice that I told you we need to divide it by 2? And what I have done, I forgot to divide it by 2. So you see, the problem is I need to divide it by 2 by time 110 by 2. So we can get it right here. It's 2 right here, and we can simplify it by make the 12 smaller. It's gonna be 6. After that, we need to change this number too. So in here we can get 2 times 66. We need to change it, some change here. 66 times 2, it's equal to what? 66 times 2 is equal to 1. Yeah, so 132. So 132 n is equal to 132 minus 6 minus 6, 132 minus 12, and we can get n is equal to 120. Okay, I should write it here. So our answer is E. Do you guys get it? If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me, okay? What do we have to times 110 by 2? Okay, that was my problem. As we know, wait, I'm gonna make some space to explain you. Okay, so 121, it's it's 121 times 120. So as we can see right here, I did some example for you. We have to time 120 plus blah 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 until 1, like we plus in return. So it's just like you have 1 plus 2 plus blah 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 plus until 120, and then plus 120 until blah 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 until 1. What does it mean? It means that we just need this thing, but we time this thing into it. So the answer that we need just the first term of it. So we need to divide it by 2 in order to find the only term of it, because if we do just 121 times 120, it's gonna be like this whole thing. So we just need to find half of it. By doing that, as we know, by getting the half of it, we need to divide it by 2. So we can get only the answer that we want to have. But if we don't divide by 2, it's not the answer of 1 plus blah, 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 plus until 120. But it is like 120 plus until 1, and then we time it by 2. But we only want the answer of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus until 120. You got it? Oh, okay. Okay, so does anyone have any questions? Feel free to ask me. You can ask in either Khmer or English. I can understand it. I also can explain it in Khmer or English if you want.
I don't know.
So guys, let's go through question number 5. Does anyone volunteer to read the question? So, Panya, can you read the question?
A large rectangle and the figure below is divided into 9 smaller rectangles. The
Oh,
area of 5 rectangles.
Sorry, my bad. Read it, continue.
The area of 5 rectangles has been given. What is the sum of the areas of the remaining 4 rectangles?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so do you guys understand the question or want me to translate it in Khmer if someone don't understand it in Khmer? In English? Alex, what do you mean by saying yes? Can you unmute? Feel free to unmute and talk.
Answer is A.
Yeah. Okay, you got 2 minutes. So 1 minute left. Oh. Okay, so yeah, that's 2 minutes. So we should go through our question. So a large triangle មានន័យថានេះគឺចតុកោណកែងទាំងអស់នេះនៅក្រោមហ្នឹងវាបានបែងចែកទៅជា9 pieces មានន័យថាវាបែងចែកទៅជា9ចតុកោណកែងតូចៗដែលយើងបានឃើញនៅខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងមានលេខ1 1លើ6 1លើ3 1លើ2លើ3 and 1លើ2អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាគេចង់បានអីគេចង់បានផលបូកនៃចំនួនចតុកោណកែងនេះចតុកោណកែងនេះចតុកោណកែងនេះហើយនិងចតុកោណកែងនេះមានន័យថាពាក្យ remaining មានន័យថាចតុកោណកែងដែលនៅសល់ចឹងយើងទៅរកមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ so first we need to think what is the formula of rectangles the areas of rectangle formula is a times b គឺ100គុណនឹងទទឹងស្មើនឹងផ្ទៃកន្លែងឬក៏ areas so what do we need to do by having those we need to think that what is the value of the side of the rectangle so we have this as 1 so what is the value of it should be here and here so as we know មានតែ1ហើយនឹង1ដែលគុណគ្នាទៅស្មើ1អញ្ chẳng bên này tha dương do cái lại này mà muối 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 bên này tha chẳng dương thời do anh ấy chia chia bật đói rồi có tật tăng có bàn tay phía trên cứ tu tư bật đói cứ chia một vài muối đại vang chiêng tật tăng chẳng bên này tha rồi anh ấy muối đôi khi chẳng vì cứ chia cà ré hay vì có chia chặt cái con này là sai cà ré có chia chặt cái con này chẳng này thay những ban mùi chẳng nên cái lạnh sống ní cứ dương ban mùi hai dương thử cái tiết hà ta cái lại ní dương thử do ấy cái lại ní cứ ấy cái hai cái lại ní cứ ấy cái đầm bay ở tây cái là viết mà nằng mùi lơ và mùi how we figure it so as we know this is mùi lơ pi chẳng mà đông ní ba này kế đâm bay việc hai chiều mùi lơ pi hay cái lại ní dương thơ mạch đâm bay ở vì ban chia pi lơ bay hay con nâng mùi này mà pi lơ bay chẳng nơi cái lại ní thở tầm miên cái lại ai mùi nơi cho nói ní hay năng cho nói ní cái thở tầm miên và vài smart ní đâm bay ai này mà mùi lơ bay chẳng đào dương đăng tha nơi cái lại ní viết mà nâng mùi của ai và vài và pan ní hay năng và vài và pan ní cứ vi miên và vài và pan cái này rồi chna dương ban nơi cho nói ní đã chia và vài mùi ní dương ai và vài mùi ní dương ban mà nâng mùi hai dương thật đăng tha ta phơm đôi mặt đất đầm bay ở dương ban pi là L7 chẳng ta mùi con năng của mát đầm bay dương ban pi là L7 so as we know chẳng tam dương đăng ấy đài đầm bay rồi ban tây cả là này chắc là con cây muối cứ dân thời do mà đòi con làm tầng chẳng như lời nó như ban bắt đầu ta tăng với phần màn chẳng đầm bay ở vía ban muối con năng của mát đầm bay với ban pi là L7 chẳng như thời đại vía pi là L7 chẳng mấy này hay phải một phần ít cứ smart nắng pi là L7 ok ta những thơ mạch tiệt chẳng dương ban nơi mà đông đi cứ smart nắng pi là L7 ta phải một mán con nắng pi là L7 đảm bay ở phía smart nắng muối là L7 ok chẳng nhóm tan cái lại cho nói mùi ní cứ đài A đảm bay ở phía con nắng pi là L7 tới với ai mà năng mùi là L7 so we can solve that problem pi là L7 mà năng mùi là L7 trang những bàn e mà bay con năng mùi là L7 con năng pi trang bên này thay mạch dương bàn bay xong rồi chỉ mùi năng bay dương bàn mùi là L7 đó chính là dương ban cho nói e cứ smart nằng mùi là L7 sorry cho nói cái lại ní dương ban mùi là L7 ok chẳng bắt đầu bị dương ban cái lại năng smart nằng mùi là L7 no sorry mùi là L7 dương ban cái lại năng mùi là L7 chẳng bên đây tha mạch dương ban mùi là L7 hỏi bà xâm tốt cứ tha cái lại ní cứ smart nằng pi là L7 hai mà đông ní tớp smart nằng e con nằng pi là L7 đòi smart nằng mùi là L7 chẳng này tham đồng bon nằng đà chia vào vậy nắng cứ e smart nằng mùi nơi L7 chẳng nơi cái lại ní có đôi khi dân ban mà đông ní cứ smart nằng mùi nơi bị mùi nơi L7 chẳng dân miên mùi nơi L7 hỏi chẳng dân thời thơ đôi mặt đất đầm bay dân ban mùi nơi L và mùi tiệt chẳng đầm bay dân đăng ha việc thơ mấy đầm bay ban mùi nơi L và mùi dương thử thưa đôi đáo dương tăng cái lại mối tiết của vậy mối tiết cứ mà nặng bí chẳng những ban bí con nâng môi nơi lỡ bí mà nâng môi nơi lỡ bằng môi đại dương ban bí mà nâng bí con nâng môi nơi lỡ bằng môi con nâng môi mà nâng môi nơi bị lỡ bảy chẳng trongចំណុច B យើងអាចបានមួយនៅពីលើ3បំផាត់នេះរៀងសាំញ៉ាំបន្តិចធំប៉ុណ្ណេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចយល់បានអត់បើយល់បានសូមដាក់ sticker raise hand មួយអូ Okay, so we continue the things that we gonna solve it. So as we can see, by doing that, we have this answer. So we have here b equal to 1 over 3. Trong này các bạn nó dương ban môi này là 7. Ta dương thật thơ đầm đách đầm bay nó họ cái lại môi này. So by doing that, we have 1 over 3. So we let this side become d. So d is equal to what? So we need to let 1 over 3 times d is equal to 1 over 2. So what is the value of d? So the value of d is d is equal to 3 times 1 over 2 times 1. So it's equal to 3 over 2. Chẳng mấy tha này bây giờ ban tây cả là nắng dân do mui này lợ bay nắng từ côn năng tây cả là dân côn năng của vậy na mui tới đầm bây giờ dương từ tua ban nơi trong loại VSMA năng mui này lợ pi chẳng dân thật tan của vậy nắng côn năng của vậy mới chỉ đại dân miến do tới sma năng mui này lợ bấy nơi bây đại dân thôi chẳng dương năng từ tua ban ở số mấy ca muối đầm bay đọc dài chẳng dương ban ở trong loại VS bay này lợ pi. So we get 3 over 2. After that, we need to find the values of the area of this. Let's say this as W, this as Y, this as Z, and this as X. So we have it right here. It's equal to 1, right? 1. So it's 1 right here. But we need to figure out this side too to figure out the area of W. So what is the value of it? As we can see, it's equal to the values of this thing. So it's equal to 1 over 2. Trong này thay dân ba lại nắng cứ sma năng mui lỡ pi. So what is the value of W? W is equal to what? To this side times this side is equal to 1. So 1 over 2 times 1 is equal to 1 over 2. So what is the value of Z of Y? So we have Y this side as 1 and this side is equal to B because it's the same side, exactly the same. So it's equal to 1 over 3. It's equal to 1 times 1 over 3 equal to 1 over 3. What else? We need to find the value of X. So the value of X, we have D as a side. So it's equal to 3 over 2 times 1. It's equal to 3 over 2. Z, it's time for Z. Z, what do you have for Z? So Z side, we have it's right here, it's equal to D. D, which is 3 over 2. It's equal to what? To 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. It's equal to what? 3, 3, and 2 and 2. So we have it's equal to 1. What else? We already find everything here. So W, Y, Z, X, which are remaining rectangle. So we just do W plus Y plus X plus Z. It's equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 2. So in here and plus 1. So in here we have 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. It's equal to what? We have the same things in below. So we can plus it together. So we can get 4 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. So what is the value of 4 over 2? 4 over 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. So what is the answer of it? It's equal to 3 over it's equal to 3 plus 1 over 3. So it's gonna be by plussing this, we need to times 3 by 3. So we get 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3. So we can get what? What is the value of 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 10 over 3. So let's see the answer in choice. It's A. Do you guys get it? អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ជាខ្មែរម្ដងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលយើងរកឃើញនៅជ្រុងមួយនៃត្រីដែលយើងអាចរកផ្ទៃកាឡានៃចតុកោណកែងដែលនៅសល់ហើយគឺយើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់វាដើម្បីទៅរកនៅប្រវែងផ្ទៃកាឡាដែលយើងបានតាំងនេះគឺជា W Y Z និង X អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងបានប្រវែងជ្រុងនីមួយៗរបស់វាគឺបណ្ដោយនឹងទទឹងរបស់វាហើយគឺយើងអាចរកប្រវែងរបស់វានៅពេលដែលយើងអាចរកផ្ទៃកាឡារបស់វាយើងគ្រាន់តែយកផ្ទៃកាឡារបស់វាទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដើម្បីយកបូកចូលគ្នាព្រោះអីគេចង់បានផលបូកនៃផ្ទៃកាឡាទាំងអស់ our class gonna end at 6:30. It's 4 minutes more. ចឹងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលយើងបានប្រវែងជ្រុងនីមួយៗហើយចឹងយើងបានចម្លើយ W ស្មើនឹង 1 នៅលើ 2 Y ស្មើនឹង 1 នៅលើ 3 X ស្មើនឹង 1 នៅលើស្មើ 3 នៅលើ 2 និង Z ស្មើនឹង 1 បន្ទាប់ពីបានអញ្ចឹងយើងយកវាបូកចូលគ្នាបន្ទាប់មកយើងទទួលបានចម្លើយយើងស្មើនឹង 10 នៅលើ 3 So do you guys get it? Nè យើងយល់ពីលំហាត់នឹងអត់វារៀងវែងហើយនឹងសាំញ៉ាំតិច Okay, so as we can see no one don't understand it, so let's go through to another question. I think we can finish another question. So Alex, can you read me the question again?
Denote n triangle M equal n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2. For example, 5 triangle 3 equal 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. If 8 triangle X equal 8 4 0, what is the value of X triangle X minus 3?
Okay, thank you. So you guys have 1 minute with this because our class nearly ended. we only have 2 minutes, so I give you 1 minute to solve the problem. Okay, so the time's up. So yeah, everyone, as we can see, we already have the sample of it, the operation of the things that we gonna have, like a triangle. I don't know how to call it too, but it's triangle, yeah. So we need, what do we need to do? So we got 8 and x. So in here we got x and triangle things and x minus 3. So what is the answer of it? As we can see the operation of it, we need to make it equal to 840. So 8 minus 1 times 8 minus 2 times 8 minus 3 times 8 minus 4. No, yeah. Times 8 minus 4, it's equal to and blah blah is equal to 840. So after that, we gonna get 7 times 6 times 5 and times 4. So we should try if it worked for 840. So let's try with me. 7 times 6, and we get 42. And as we have 42, we got 5. So it's gonna be 0, 1, 21, and times 4, we can get 0, 4, 8. So yeah, it's completely right. So as we can see, the operation of it, m is gonna be the same as x. So as we can see here, it's minus 4 and we get 4. So it's equal to 140. So our x is equal to 4. And then we can get 4 triangle with 4 minus 3. So we can get 4 triangle with 1. Okay, what we have here? What do we have here? We have 4 triangle with 1, and we can get 4 minus 1, which is this. So our answer is 3. E is our answer because there's nothing in choices about number 3. ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងត្រូវមើលពី operation របស់វាដែលគេឲ្យគឺ denote នេះចឹងគឺយើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់វាដើម្បីដោះស្រាយបញ្ហារបស់យើងកំពុងតែប្រឈមកំពុងតែហោគឺយើងមាន8ហើយនឹង x 8ហើយនឹង x អញ្ចឹងយើងចង់បាន x តើ x ស្មើនឹងប្រមាណដើម្បីឲ្យវាស្មើនឹង8ឲ្យ40អញ្ចឹងដំបូងខ្ញុំសាក8ដក1តាមគេឲ្យគឺ8ត្រូវដក1បន្ទាប់មកគឺ8ដក2បន្ទាប់មក8ដក3ហើយខ្ញុំសាកដល់8ដក4ខ្ញុំគុណតទៀតអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែសេថា8ដក4ទេក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំត្រូវទៅសេដល់8ដក1ក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំដឹងថាបើសិនជាយើងទៅសេដល់8ដក1គឺយើងត្រូវ8ដក3ទៀតគឺអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន8ដក5ទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន3ទៀតអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសាកត្រឹម4លេខសិនឬក៏ពេលប្រឡងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចសាកត្រឹម3លេខឬក៏2លេខបន្ទាប់មកចាំយើងសាកដកម្ដងមួយថែមទៀតមក ដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅ840ដែលយើងអាចរកបានចឹងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលយើងបានអញ្ចឹងហើយគឺយើងដកលេខទៅគឺយើងបាន7គុណនឹង6គុណនឹង5គុណនឹង4តាមដែលយើងឃើញហ្នឹងចឹងគឺយើងអាចទទួលបាននៅយើងគ្រាន់តែគុណលេខ7និង6គុណនឹង5ហើយគុណនឹង4យើងទទួលបាន840មែនអញ្ចឹងវាអាចថា lucky ដែរដែលខ្ញុំដាក់ត្រឹមតែ4ហើយវាបាន840យកមកចឹងគឺយើងបាន x ស្មើនឹង4គឺយើងមិនយកចម្លើយត្រង់នេះទេក៏ប៉ុន្តែវាលេខ8ដក4វាបាន4ដែរអញ្ចឹងយើងគឺយកកន្លែងនេះកន្លែងលេខ4នៅកន្លែងនេះយើងមិនមែនមកយកលេខ4នៅកន្លែងនេះទេបាទចឹងយើងអាចទទួលបាន x equal to 4យើងអាចបាន x ស្មើនឹង4ចឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងគ្រាន់តែយក x ហ្នឹងមកចំនួននៅក្នុងនេះនៅក្នុងកន្លែងនេះដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅចម្លើយមួយដែលយើងចង់បានគឺចម្លើយតម្លៃនៃប៉ុណ្ណឹងចឹងមានន័យថាយើងបាន4 triangle ឬក៏សញ្ញាត្រីកោណហ្នឹងជាមួយនឹង4ដក3អញ្ចឹង4ដក3វាស្មើនឹង1អញ្ចឹង4សញ្ញាត្រីកោណជាមួយនឹង1វាស្មើប៉ុន្មានគឺវាស្មើ4ដំបូងយើងស្មើ4ដក1អញ្ចឹងលេខ1ហ្នឹងហើយគឺជាលេខដែលត្រូវយើងបញ្ឈប់គឺយើងឈប់ operation ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងយកលេខ4ដកនឹង1យើងស្មើនឹង3អញ្ចឹងវាជាចម្លើយរបស់យើង Do you guys understand it? Do you guys understand it well? So if you do, our class maybe, which, oh, that one, we need to learn that one tomorrow. Hey, no, sorry, next week. You can try it. You can try it in the group. Our team already sent it into the group, so you can try it, solve the problem, and then when you join my class, you can just chill and then send me the answer. But please, next week, be more active. Feel free to unmute and ask me. Okay, so now it's the end of our class. See you guys next week and good luck. Enjoy your dinner and enjoy your weekend with your family. Goodbye, everyone. See ya. Have a nice day. Yeah, feel free. Goodbye. See ya. Bye-bye.